coffee everywhere, but my wallet's looking down. $200 in a week, now my balance feels so weak. I'm broke again, where did all my money go? Bro, you spent it all on coffee, don't you know? Time for a budget, time for control.
Time for a budget, time for control. Stop letting lattes swallow your soul.
Stop letting lattes swallow your soul. 50 for needs.
50 for needs, 30 for wants, 20 for savings. That's how it runs.
30 for wants, 20 for savings. That's how it runs. That's like YOLO in your whole portfolio on meme coins. So I still have coffee.
So, I can still have coffee, just not the fancy stuff every day? Exactly. Budget your wants. Don't eliminate them.
Just not the fancy stuff every day. Exactly. Budget your wants, don't eliminate them.
Face it.
Push goes in the air, coffee monster everywhere. Laugh it off, learn the plan, balance life, yes you can. Day 7, $5 brew. Still alive, saving too. Budget success, we all shout. Smart with money, no doubt. What should we fix next? Tell us below. Subscribe or stay broke, let the savings grow. And your hope or really your hope or meme coin. So I still have coffee, just not the fancy stuff every day. Exactly, budget your wants, don't eliminate them. So push bells in the air, coffee monster everywhere. Laugh it off, learn the plan, balance life, yes you can. Day 7, $5 brew. Still alive, saving too. Every day, let the savings grow.